Behind you.
This is Talk. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly.
Element. C2 and clear with CS.
Good to go. Cover your ears, boys. Deploying explosive. We got a dip.
Be advised, suspects are holding civilians hostage.
Right now!
This is Talk. The suspects have taken civilians
Come
prisoners.
out now!
Your hands up! Going into cuffs. Making it safe. Don't get up.
Don't move. Stay put.
Talk to lead. Proceed
Talk.
with mission.
Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
Finish. Talk. Suspect in custody.
Talk to lead.
Not gonna hurt
Send him our way.
Got him all zipped up.
Element to talk.
Lead to talk.
Civilians good to go.
Good to go. You got it. The other.
Talk to element. Proceed with mission.
On me. Move.
I'm with you. You're in my spot. In the way, Chief. In my way, sir. Need you to move.
Police, hands on your head! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Drop your weapons! Down on your knees, slowly!
Zip him up. Stay still.
Got it back.
Entry team to talk. Got a suspect here ready for trailers.
Talk. Civilians have been taken hostage.
Police, don't fucking
Target.
move!
Be advised, suspects are
Drop it
holding
now!
civilians
Drop the
hostage.
weapon now! Get on the ground now! Drop it and get down! Drop the weapon and police, get down on the ground! Police, don't move! Hands up! Hands on your head, now!
Back of your hands.
Secure the area.
Down on your goddamn knees, now!
Good to go. Evidence secured. Moving into handcuffs. Get down now.
You think I'm gonna listen to you? No.
Put your hands up!
Talk.
Got an officer unresponsive!
Trailer standing by.
Safe. Suspect ready to go.
Stay calm.
I'll get it.
I don't have Get down and put your hands. I ain't doing shit.
This is Talk. Trailers incoming.
CP, man. Cuffing. You know what that means? I can't feel my hands.
Police, you're under arrest! Drop the weapon! Hands up, asshole! Now!
Get him ready.
Turn around slowly.
Got it back.
Oh, gotta back it up. Lead. Evidence good to go.
Talk to element. Trailers ready.
Element to talk. Suspect is secured.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Officer, these cuffs are too tight.
See to the door and wait for my go.
I'm struggling.
Got some bang for your buck. Readying explosive. Setting it. Over here on the left.
Shit.
Empty over here.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Do it now! Get down! I want to see
Stay down.
Hey, wait! Element to talk. Ready.
Motherfucker!
Don't make this
Lead,
worse
this
on
is Talk.
yourself.
Send him.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
Trust.
Evidence secured.
Arrest him.
I got cuffs.
Restrain them. Restrain him.
I got it. Don't move. What did you think?
Stay down and turn around.
Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk reporting. Trailers en route.
Entry team to talk. Suspect restrained and under our control.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailers notified.
Securing. Back in the day, we'd haul our CRTs to our friend's basement.
Lead to talk. Device located.
Element, this is Talk. Forensics notified.
Don't hurt my mama. She didn't do anything. Fucking thinking you all that?
Keep your hands up!
Fucking losers.
Search and secure.
On it.
I ain't do nothing. I was just out here getting gas.
Hey, talk to me. What's going on?
I can't go to jail. My mom and brother rely on me.
Shit.
Get the fuck back here. No fucking way. No, wait, hold on. I don't have a gun.
Down on the ground!
No,
Hands on your head! Do it
Swear to
now!
God.
Listen, I only downloaded games to go, but that...
Let me see those hands!
This ain't nothing new to me.
Down on your knees! Hands up! Above your head!
Cuff him.
Moving into handcuffs.
Tell me right now.
Police! Help!
Next time I'm not...
Arrest him.
My name is DeMarcus, and I go to San Uriel High. You have the wrong person.
This is insane,
We're police.
Try
man.
and stay calm. Good to go.
This is Talk. Nice work, entry team. First round's on me tonight.
What are you doing?